So when it comes to posting jobs, super easy. All you have to do is click the create button. Obviously, it's up in the top right on web. On mobile, it'll be the plus button down the middle. But nonetheless, obviously, you'll need club membership in order to post jobs. But from there, once you go and click this button, you'll be able to fill in all the fields to create your job posting, and you'll just click submit. Once you submit it, it'll show up on a jobs board as this one has here. And from here, you'll be able to share it, manage it, or feature it. Obviously, the featured jobs get a lot better reach. But nonetheless, when it comes to managing it, obviously you can come in and edit anything on the job posting as well as simply end the job. And you can also view all of the different applicants here. Now, when it comes to interacting with the applicants, like I said, it's super easy. They all land directly within your inbox once they apply. And it just comes with a brief description of why they're applying. And it also comes with their CV automatically attached where you can download it and share that with whomever. But from there, that's pretty much everything. Obviously, once they're in your inbox, you'll be able to jump on calls with them. You can set up a meeting with this button, or you can obviously create a timed, like scheduled meeting, however you'd like. But other than that, that's pretty much everything. Like I said, let me know if you have any questions or need anything.